This teacher in school, teaching biology, asked the children to name birds in T&T. They call from Scarlet Ibis, right down to CKA. When out of the blues, the student jump up and say, "May say discover a brand new species about 2 years or so, very indigenous to Trinidad and Tobago." Before Miss could say another word, the student exclaimed, "You may not believe me, but Kamala is the name. She fly to New York for a birthday party, come down here, then fly back for tea. Among two people dying, but Kamala flying. She flies so much, she start to suffer with stress. On top of that, she gone Tobago to rest. ADG is fetting, but Kamala flying." Miss, if you in doubt, just walk down the road. The man on the street will tell you, Kamala is a bird. I'm sure you recall, there was a Melkobo, fly till it get easy, fall in Guanapo. That boat used to fly almost on a weekly basis. Is the same Kamala, condemn him to the lowest. She said costing taxpayers too much and call it squandermania. Saying all that will end when my government take over. She said that same money could be used to fix road and thing. But now that she get wing, same damn thing she doing. She fight to Colombia, India, Jamaica, Brazil, London, Argentina, all over tires burning, but Kamala flying. Right after the no confidence motion, she shake she feathers off to Suriname. So long Stephen Williams acting, but Kamala flying. Miss, I'm so sorry. I really thought you heard an ABC child go tell you Kamala is a bird. Our local birds, absolutely unique. They're born with charisma and blessed with technique. Today they whistle one way, tomorrow different one. As you confront them, is wrong interpretation. If ever there was a competition to prove who could fly the most, when compared to Kamala, none of them can even come close. Even if she give them a distance and start from behind, she go be them cruising down to the finish line. Assassination plot, she under attack, but she gone to hug up Chavez and come back. All over tires burning, but Kamala flying. She flying near, she flying far. Look, she fly from Tong to the Walinaga. Robocop say kid is lying, but Kamala flying. If you're in doubt and want to confirm my word, check out Asa Right. They'll tell you Kamala is a bird.